Today, we will discuss Tab9 and Blackbox. Both platforms leverage artificial intelligence to enhance the coding experience. They utilize machine learning models to understand and assist with code development. While they have different amounts of focus, they both are tools that assist with the generation or completion of code. Now, let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Tab9 stands out by delivering AI-driven code completions, anticipating and recommending code while you input. It can analyze your coding habits and project background to offer more precise and pertinent recommendations. Tab9 prioritizes delivering completion seamlessly within your current integrated development environment or IDE workflow. Tab9 offers self-hosted enterprise solutions to enhance code privacy, featuring AI-driven code generation from natural language requests. Blackbox provides beyond mere code completions. It also features tools that allow you to inquire about code and receive AI-generated responses. Blackbox features tools for examining code visuals. All in all, Tab9 is a strong choice for developers who want to enhance their coding speed and accuracy with powerful code completions. Blackbox is a good option for developers who want a more versatile AI assistant that can help with code generation and provide answers to code related questions.